All right, some news from Berkshire Hathaway and Warren Buffett. Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft and longtime Berkshire board member, is retiring from the board. Ken Chenault, the former American Express CEO and now the chairman of venture capital from General Catalyst, has been nominated to replace him. Gates joined the board in 2004. Mike, it's been a long time to have him on that board. This will be a real changing of the guard.
Somewhat of a change. I'm guarantee it's because Bill Gates probably, is overcommitted elsewhere. Probably wants to just ease back from this a little bit. Ken Chenault, of course, formerly running American Express. Berkshire is by far the largest shareholder of American Express, has been for many years. So I don't think it necessarily means strategically all that much, but it's certainly keeping things within Warren Buffett's circle.
Mike, just want to switch back to the markets and what we've heard in the last hour or two. Interesting that we just got those two news bites from Royal Caribbean and from Boeing. It reminds us of the sectors that are most affected by this crisis. And as great as it is to hear more tests are going to be available and we're addressing the problem at its root cause, those types of companies are lacking demand and will be for the months ahead. We need to wait and see whether the market has found confidence in them in a lasting fashion. They enjoyed the bounce today, but a long way to go for those companies.
Yeah, what you never know is exactly how much a market decline has front-loaded the expected difficulty to come. And a lot of times, in fact, if you look at market dynamics, you have this kind of very dramatic rush lower and then, a bounce or a strong rally like we had today. And then even if it lasts for a little while, they always say, well, you're going to chop around. Maybe there's going to be another test of those. Why is that? It's because the bad stuff that the market anticipated with the initial drop then comes to the surface, and we have to kind of contend with it again. And that's the argument about the crowd psychology anyway.
Real quickly, had been talking for months about the strength of the American consumer and them shouldering the burden of this global economy.
Yeah.
Is that in doubt now?
It's in doubt temporarily, at least. I do think so. Yeah, I mean, people are retreating from economic life, commercial life to some degree. Dr. Fauci, I believe, in response to a question, said, well, maybe this is going to go 7, 8, 9 weeks.
Yeah.
That's a good long time in terms of, and those are months that are more than their share of spending for the whole year, basically, into the summer.
There you can